These cards are not just any ordinary deck of cards, and they hold a profound significance often misunderstood by many. Each card, carefully crafted and imbued with symbolism, serves as a tool for introspection, guidance, and personal growth. Today, we explore the transformative power of these 64 cards, looking into their origins, uses, and how they can indeed change your life by offering insights that are often hidden deep within our subconscious. The 64 cards that we are discussing today come in various forms, including tarot cards, oracle cards, and affirmation cards. Each type serves a unique purpose, yet they all share the common goal of fostering self-discovery and providing guidance. Tarot cards, perhaps the most well-known in this group, typically consist of 78 cards and are used primarily for divination, interpreting the past, present, and potential future through symbolic imagery. Oracle cards, on the other hand, are more free-form and can vary in number, designed to offer spiritual guidance and insights into the user's personal journey. Affirmation cards contain positive statements or mantras to reinforce positive thinking and self-empowerment. These cards are used as tools for meditation, decision-making, and personal reflection. By reflecting on the card's imagery and messages, users gain insights into their life situations and challenges, making these tools valuable for anyone seeking to deepen their understanding of themselves and their surroundings. The use of cards for divination and guidance has roots that stretch back centuries, crossing numerous cultures and continents. Originally, these cards were part of leisure activities, but over time, their deeper meanings became apparent, and they evolved into tools for introspection and prophecy. In medieval Europe, tarot cards began as playing cards, but gradually took on mystical meanings and uses, often associated with the esoteric and the divine. In various cultures, cards are respected as more than just paper and ink. They are seen as a bridge to the unseen, capable of unlocking mysteries through their symbols and numbers. This historical tapestry not only enriches their use, but also connects users to centuries of human inquiry into life's profound questions. The transformation of their purpose from mere entertainment to spiritual guidance illustrates a dynamic evolution in human culture's approach to understanding the self and the universe. While some may view card reading as purely mystical or esoteric, there's a psychological component that merits attention. Studies in psychology suggest that card readings can help individuals tap into the subconscious mind, using symbolism and imagery that evoke personal associations and feelings. This process, known as projection, allows people to interpret the cards in ways that resonate with their personal life experiences and innermost thoughts. The practice of reading these cards can be linked to the placebo effect, a well-documented phenomenon where simply believing in the effectiveness of a harmless treatment can bring about real changes. In the context of card reading, if an individual believes that the cards offer guidance, this belief alone can foster a mindset conducive to personal development and decision-making confidence. This psychological insight does not diminish the value of card reading. Instead, it enhances its credibility by grounding it in recognizable mental processes. Understanding how to use these 64 cards effectively is crucial for anyone interested in harnessing their potential. The process begins with selecting a deck that resonates with your personal needs and aesthetic preferences, as the connection to the imagery and themes is foundational to the practice. Once you have your deck, it's important to create a quiet and comfortable environment for your readings. This helps in minimizing external distractions and focusing your mind. The actual practice of using the cards involves shuffling the deck while contemplating a question or concern you wish to explore. Spread the cards in a pattern that suits your question. Different spreads can provide various insights and focus. As you select and reveal each card, take the time to observe the images, letting your thoughts and feelings guide your interpretation. This mindful approach allows you to connect more deeply with the messages each card presents. There are several misconceptions about card reading that can skew expectations. Firstly, it's important to clarify that card reading is not about predicting the future or providing definitive answers. Instead, it's a tool for guidance and self-reflection, offering a symbolic lens through which to view complex situations. Another common myth is that card reading is inherently mystical or supernatural. While the practice is deeply spiritual for some, it can also be approached as a form of reflective meditation that utilizes symbolism to access the subconscious mind. Addressing these misconceptions is vital for a balanced understanding of card reading. It empowers individuals to approach the practice with an open mind, appreciating its value as a psychological and introspective tool rather than a supernatural solution to life's challenges. By setting realistic expectations, users can more effectively integrate the insights gained from card reading into their daily decision-making and personal growth strategies. Incorporating card reading into your daily routine can provide ongoing guidance and reflection, enhancing personal growth and awareness. The key to effective integration is consistency and intentionality. Start by setting aside a specific time each day, perhaps in the morning to set the tone for your day, or in the evening to reflect on the day's events. During this time, draw a card or two to ponder your current challenges or achievements, using the cards as a prompt to explore your thoughts and feelings. For those who are new to this practice, it may be helpful to keep a journal of your card readings. This can be a simple notebook where you record the date, the cards drawn, and your interpretations and feelings about them. Over time, reviewing this journal can provide insights into your personal growth and changes in perspective, illustrating how your understanding and responses evolve. Choosing the right deck is an important step in the journey of card reading, as the connection to the imagery and messages of the cards significantly influences the effectiveness of your readings. When selecting a deck, consider the visual appeal of the cards. Are the images resonant? Do they stir emotions or thoughts within you? It's also wise to research the background and theme of the deck. Some decks are designed with specific purposes in mind, such as fostering creativity, exploring spirituality, or offering psychological insight. Read reviews and possibly handle the deck before purchasing if you can. This can give you a sense of the physical quality of the cards and whether they are comfortable to shuffle and handle. Remember, the right deck for you is one that feels personally significant and aligns with your intentions for use. When engaging with card reading, it's crucial to approach the practice with ethical considerations in mind. One of the fundamental aspects of ethical card reading is respecting your own boundaries and those of others. This means using the cards as a tool for personal growth and introspection, not as a means to pry into others' lives without their consent. If you choose to read cards for others, always ask for permission and approach their questions with sensitivity and confidentiality. It's important to acknowledge the limitations of card reading. Communicate clearly that the cards offer guidance based on interpretation and are not definitive answers to life's questions. This helps manage expectations and ensures that the advice provided through card readings is taken as one of many tools for decision-making, not an absolute solution. Looking towards the future, the practice of card reading is likely to continue evolving, integrating modern technology and new cultural interpretations. Digital card reading apps and online platforms are making the practice more accessible to a global audience, allowing people from different backgrounds to explore this tool in ways that suit their lifestyles and technological preferences. As interest in personal and spiritual growth expands, the demand for varied types of card decks is increasing. This could lead to more customized decks that cater to a diverse range of cultural backgrounds, personal interests, and specific life questions. The future of card reading promises greater inclusivity and innovation, adapting to the needs of a changing world while retaining its profound essence as a source of wisdom and reflection. While we reach the end of our video of the 64 cards that can change your life, it's important to reflect on what we've uncovered together. These cards are not just tools for divination or moments of introspection. They are gateways to deeper understanding and personal alignment. Whether you're using tarot, oracle, or affirmation cards, the key is to approach them with an open mind and a willing heart, ready to explore the insights they may offer. If today's video has sparked your interest, consider taking the first step towards integrating card reading into your life. Choose a deck that resonates with you, find a quiet moment for reflection, and begin the journey of discovery. Remember, the power of these cards lies not in the cards themselves, but in the reflections and realizations they provoke within you.